Hello. Today I'm going to be teaching you Ubu, and we're going to start with Ubu phrases. The first one is Sa akage. Sa akage means wash your clothes. Taza imi olagi means tidy your room.
Dozie ime ụlọ gị.
Taza imi olagi tidy your room. Ga ulo means go home. Ga ulo means go home. Me asasa means hurry up.
Me ọsịsọ.
Me asasa means hurry up. Adi